Hi viewers. Are you worried about finding the best artificial grass or installation services in UAE? Dubai Artificial Grass is one of the leading supplier and installer of artificial grass in Dubai. This makes it perfect for any landscape or application, from home gardens to sports pitches. Our team of experienced professionals can help you choose the perfect type of artificial grass for your needs and install it quickly and efficiently. Our top grass services: 1. Balcony artificial grass. 2. Garden artificial grass. 3. Terrace artificial grass. 4. Sport artificial grass. 5. Lawn artificial grass. Why artificial grass is better than natural grass? Unlike natural grass, artificial grass doesn't need much maintenance. Artificial grass is also beneficial for the environment, since harmful pesticides, fertilizers, and fungicides aren't needed. It stays perfectly green all year round. It's non-allergenic. It's easy to install. It saves you money. Why choose us? Our staff is perfectly dedicated. 100% satisfaction of clients. Budget-friendly installation and fixing. Contact us today for a free consultation.